Starting around 05 August 2023, Dogelon Mars actually in a real sense is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71%, in decently kind of most recent 1 hour in and in every way that really matters, especially large way. Elon truly in every way that really matters has a very lovely all-out market cap of $84,721,252, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,455,692 in every way that really matters, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking, which most certainly is very critical. This actually in a real sense makes Dogelon Mars Elon fundamentally extremely positioning at 262 in the digital currency market in a pretty most certainly significant manner, which certainly is very huge. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogelon Mars essentially in every practical sense be truly worth in 2023? Which sort of really is very critical. Is Dogelon Mars a for the most part wise speculation or essentially truly worth purchasing in 2023, in an in every way that really matters, sort of huge way? Will Elon cost truly outperform its untouched high? Or so they explicitly fundamentally thought amazingly. These by and large are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future, or so they fundamentally thought, which certainly is very huge. Dogelon Mars Elon value expectation 2023. As per the Dogelon Mars estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Elon cost by and large is supposed to cross a kind of really normal value level of $0.00000018, the normal truly least value worth of Dogelon Mars, toward the finish of the quite current year, ought to especially be $0.00000018 in every practical sense. Further appearance how this certainly in every practical sense makes Dogelon Mars Elon sort of positioning at 262 in the cryptographic money market in a very enormous manner incredibly. Besides, Elon can arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.00000020. Elon value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars sort of is gauged to in every way that really matters be at around a very least worth of $0.00000015 in a very significant manner. The Dogelon Mars value worth can truly arrive at a kind of limit of $0.00000017, with the reasonably truly normal exchanging worth of $0.00000016 in United States dollars, which by and large in a real sense shows that will Elon cost for the most part certainly outperform its record-breaking high in every practical sense in opposition to mainstream thinking, which is genuinely huge. Elon value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars by and large essentially is determined to for the most part by and large be at around a sort of genuinely least worth of $0.00000016 in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. The Dogelon Mars value worth can actually really arrive at a for the most part exceptionally limit of $0.00000017, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0.00000017 in United States dollars, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical in a sort of enormous manner. Elon value conjecture October 2023. The Dogelon Mars gauge for October 2023 expects that the Elon may for the most part arrive at a pretty fundamentally greatest worth of $0.00000018, with a base cost of around $0.00000017, showing how Elon value estimate October 2023. The Dogelon Mars figure for October 2023 expects that the Elon may in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely sort of greatest worth of $0.00000018 with a by and large certainly least cost of around $0.00000017, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Discussing the extremely normal value, Elon can basically stretch around $0.00000017 for October, which really is very huge, or so they especially thought. Dogelon Mars value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars explicitly especially is supposed to basically be at around a fundamentally least of $0.00000017 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars cost can in every practical sense really arrive at a by and large, for the most part limit of $0.00000019, with the very beautiful typical cost of $0.00000018 in United States dollars, which certainly is very critical. Elon value estimate December 2023. With respect to December 2023, Dogelon Mars generally most certainly is supposed to essentially arrive at a quite least value worth of $0.00000018, which most certainly really is genuinely critical, or so they thought. The elon cost could truly arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.00000020, with the truly normal cost around $0.00000018. Dogelon Mars actually commonly passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been generally diminished by 0.65% in its truly current worth. Exceptionally further appearance how this explicitly really makes Dogelon Mars Elon pretty by and large positioning at 262 in the digital money market, which especially is genuinely critical. Assuming we certainly truly analyze the pretty in every practical sense current market cap of the elon with yesterday's, you can for the most part by and large see that the market cap especially is likewise down, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking, which is very huge. Dogelon Mars basically is confronting a reasonably especially difficult time jumping aboard, with most certainly by and large other crypto coins, so on the off chance that we explicitly truly look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the elon with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap sort of essentially is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The elon sort of is down to nearly 1.37% in the reasonably kind of most recent 7 days, which really is genuinely huge. The coin for the most part is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for past especially certainly couple of days. The coin could by and large have kind of serious areas of strength for commonly in any case. We don't essentially believe that it would a productive resource in genuinely lovely present moment, which fundamentally explicitly shows that starting around 05 August 2023 Dogelon Mars generally is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71% in for the most part essentially most recent 60 minutes, or so they essentially thought, which for the most part is very critical. Dogelon Mars value gauge 2023 facts. What will especially fundamentally be Dogelon